Right, morning everybody. Martyn Williams here, and we just arrived at Chalk Springs. Well, we actually arrived last night. We drove down yesterday, late morning, and stayed over last night and went out and had a few beers and a Chinese and a few laughs. What a great night it was. And we literally it's only 5 minutes away, so we're ready to rock and roll here at Chalk Springs. All the boys have gone on down and it's actually dry again. My gosh, got a good crew today, around about 15 to 17. There's Dean and his young son Ed, who is chomping at the bit. You gonna catch a big one today, Ed? Yeah, so that's the way. That's the way. And what are you hoping to catch? Was it a blue as well? Good.
All of the fish that I can find.
That's it. You want to catch the biggest fish, the mostest fish, and all the fish. That's the way. Lovely, lovely. So it's a lovely complex, Chalk Springs. Is it 5 lakes? I can't remember. How about 4 lakes, Dean, is it? 1, 2, 3, and the long one here, yeah. And they're all absolutely gin clear. Yeah, gin clear. Lovely. Look at that. Lovely sun up in the morning. Lovely. Spoilt for choice way to start, really. Lovely. What are you starting with, Scott? Yeah. Well, I can see fish following that in then, couldn't I?
Yeah. Let you start to sink here properly.
Yeah, get him to have a bit of a chase, whip it through a bit quick, have a bit of fun then. Lovely. Yeah? Spy Grandad Chris over there, I think. Is that you, Grandad Chris? It is. How are we doing, fella? You okay? Yeah, good, mate. I've been looking forward to this one for ages, mate.
I haven't slept properly for the last 3 nights.
Like a kiddie at Christmas, mate, is it?
Absolutely.
That's the way. That's the way. Oh, I can see Scott's got a fish on. Scott's up there. Just walk past. Excellent. A few people have dived down the bottom there, I think. They've dived down there because it's known for some deep water and the odd big fish down there. So we're having a bit of fun competition today, and today's competition is the biggest brace of fish. Big one? Joe spotted a big one? Joe spotted a big one. So it's a nice bit of ripple down here, isn't it? So we got the biggest brace of fish by 10 o'clock. Dee, 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 dee. Up, Mark's in. Good mate. Dee, 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 dee. Dee, 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 dee. See a fish over there. Oh! Whoa. I didn't see that one coming from the other side. He chased after that, didn't he? Oh, there's another one. There's another couple. Oh. There was a whole bunch of fish there chasing that damsel then. Lovely. That's a good start, isn't it? Oh, I'll lose my net, Matt. Fighting well. See that blue flash damsel sticking out of his nose. Lovely. There we are. Good start here at Chalk Springs. Let's get him dispatched. So there we are. First one bagged. On a blue flash damsel. That new one which I will be tying next week with a green body. It's a good start. So a bit of a tidy up and get him on the stringer. Yeah, got him on the stringer. Oh, I'll get him in there, keep him nice and cool. Excellent, excellent. Mark's in again, I think there. You're doing well, mate, there, ain't you? Huh? You're doing well. I don't know if you're like me, but I just love catching fish.
Well, funny enough, it's a hobby of mine.
I just love catching fish. £2, £10, love it.
You drove down last night?
Drove down, yeah, 11 o'clock yesterday morning, got down here for 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
And then I had a couple of beers. We booked in the Chinese in the town last night and then had a nice Chinese. Then went to the cocktail lounge and had some cocktails. Great night and a laugh and a joke. That's what it's all about, mate, isn't it?
Yeah. It's good to meet you anyway.
Yes, lovely, mate.
I've got more of your flies than you have, you know that.
Well, you probably have, because I can never keep enough in stock, mate, I know. Excellent.
Here's the first one.
Excellent, you're doing well, mate. You're doing well.
Well,
You're doing well.
okay.
You're doing well. Right, we'll let you dispatch that one. Right, so we got our first fish in the bag. Mark's had a couple. Scott's had some. Oh, I got a feeling Dean and young Ed's going to get a fish here now, Ed.
Right, you ready? Okay, you pass it and you're going to take it. Yeah, you're going to take the rod. Come here. Put the net down.
Mate, there's a fish nibbling that already. Meg is safe. Sure, right.
There you go. There you go. Take it.
Go on, mate. Pull him in, Ed. Go on, mate.
You showed a bit of interest to begin with, but we were a bit slow. Right,
Yeah, you'll have him this time, Ed. You'll have him this time. You got your glass? Oh, I always have your glasses on. Yeah. Here we are. Pull it. Ooh, a big swirl in, mate. Pull him through quick, mate. Oh, nearly, Ed. He wanted that one, didn't he? Come on, Ed, you got to grab this one now. Oh, that's a good cast now. Right, pull him through. Go on, quick as you can. Go on. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's coming again. Here he comes. Oh, the fly disappeared then.
You've got to watch it. Always watch it. You can't see with your Polaroid glasses, are you sure?
Yeah, I can't put this in.
Look, it's coming in again, look. It's coming in again, look. It's right there.
There's a bunch of fish there, mate. And he's coming again.
It's a bit close for them now. Right, we'll do it once more, okay? You've got to watch. You've got to be ready.
Ready.
You can net it, don't worry. Ready? Watch your timbers, mate.
See, one's going for it now, one of those darker coloured fishes. But I don't know whether that was a... I think so. There was a couple of bigger dark shadows out there, mate. Yeah. You can see them running on the edge of the shade, can't you? Gin clear this, like, isn't it? Absolutely gin clear. Yep. Go on, son. There we go. Another nice chalk Springs rainbow. That one on the golden orange. Let's get them all dispatched. Timed that well. Yeah. Peter just put on one of the famous Rob Gent daddies. Every angler should have a Rob Gent daddy. It's a bit like the famous late great Sid Knight Pearly daddy. Everybody should have a Rob Gent dry daddy. First cast. Nice, mate, nice. Right, I got my fish to sort out here as well. Gosh. Where's my other stringer? I don't know. I got a stringer here though, haven't I? Even though it's only 6 or 7 degrees, but the sun's out and the fish are taking dries. A dry daddy. Did he take it static or just as you was twitching it back? Yeah. You twitch a daddy just under the surface, they can't resist it, can they? Yeah. Here we are. Nice rainbow on a dry daddy. Right. Let's get this one on my other stringer and carry on. I can see three shapes out there. Can't tell what size they are, so let's have a bit of fun, is it? I got a black and gold on. Oh, stripping it quick. Is anything up for a chase? The sea fish turning off it. There. Don't you just love that? Yeah. 3 pounder going crazy like a £100 sailfish. There we are. There's the odd lump out there, but oh, I got my net on the mesh. This getting 3 of those. Lovely. Lovely fish. And that one was on a black and gold stalker, but I whipped it through quick to get him to have a chase. Let's get him dispatched. Just walking up, and Dean's got one on. Are you ready with the net there, Ed? Well done, mate. Well done, mate. You're doing well, yeah.
Yeah, as usual. The smaller ones are darting in before the big ones can get to it.
It's all good fun though. I think if my wallet was 2 inches thicker, I'd catch 100. Because I can't resist catching them.
All day long, yeah. It's very hard to put them away.
Yeah, exactly.
Especially when you know you're on. Flies on. There's a couple of decent ones floating around, but
I saw another good one when I got you, but he was down really deep. It was a big fish though, yeah.
yeah, unfortunately getting past some of these smaller ones is hard work.
Yeah.
Don't worry, just figure out stuff out. Into you, okay? Right, you ready? Ready? Ready?
Oh.
Ready? Give me a second.
He's fighting well, isn't he, Ed?
They are, they're always good fighters.
Yeah.
Ready?
Every time he sees our net, he's not happy with it, is he?
Get wet.
Whoop, yeah, he is.
No. There we go.
Yeah, well done, mate. Oh, good netting by that man.
Done. Over onto the glass.
Well done, mate.
Good lad.
He's a top netter. Here we are. Jez is in. Well done, mate.
A little pair of eggs.
Yeah. Nice.
I just thought I'd try something different.
That's it.
Not the biggest.
Just, it's a lovely place in here, and a lot. There's some nice fish being caught today, yeah. Nice, mate. Well done.
A pellet egglet.
On the pellet coloured egg, yeah.
It's not a bad one.
Lovely fish. Lovely fish. We'll let
See the old pellet in that thing?
Jez dispatch him. There we are. Hold him up, mate. That fly, that's on that. There we are, that
Nice new pellet egg.
pellet egg. Lovely, lovely. I think I got flies in the bag for you and all of you. I think I brought some down for you. Well done. Well done, mate. Well done. Right. The result of the competition at 10 o'clock.
But it was only 23, which is good for him. Hold up.
That is one of the winning beasts there, which is £7 odd. And another fish, so we're saying about £10. So with great pleasure, today's winner of the biggest brace fish is from Costa del Canvi.
He is! Costa del Canvi! Oh God, that'd be
And
trousers.
there we are.
Oh!
He has to apply for permission to leave that.
It's gonna
Well done, mate. Well done. There we are.
something to put on the YouTube tonight.
Champion, mate. Champion. Well done. Well done, mate. Ed, look what I just found. Look what I just found in my bag. You better put those in with your other flies, okay?
Where you're going.
I always bring a few packs for the kids. There we are. 3 flies. Excellent.
Oh, hang on. A bit bigger than that, mate.
Right, I think I will have a beer. Well, your fly box should be getting fuller now, Ed, shouldn't it? Should be getting full of your fly box.
My wife found out I was talking to Martin. I've got
Oh.
some carp. You have to do it all now. Well, I'll cast it.
Yeah, Daddy's got a carp on.
It was heathens. It's next trip, Martin.
Well, I haven't got nothing booked yet for right. We have just had our 10 o'clock little drink, a little Stella, and Mark Osborne was the winner of the comp. He had a nice fish of about £7 and another one to go with it, so he's probably had £10 of fish there. So we didn't have any other bigger fish to go with anybody. Look at that there. You've got a stalker on, mate. See him going out? That's a good one, isn't it? I still got a dry daddy on, so. And there, look at that one there. You sure that's not a carp? That's a brown, is it? That's a brown, isn't it? The one on the front, the good one. Let's go and see my mate Steve. So he's getting on. How you getting on, fella?
You know that saying when people are knitting, they go knit one, purl one?
Yeah.
Yeah? So my knitting is hook 3, loss 3.
Oh dear.
Hook 3, loss 3.
Never.
Seriously.
Oh dear.
I'd be a prat with a piano.
Well, I got a little dry daddy on. I'm going to have a play with it, I think. Right. So our friend Steve the currier. He's the chap who made us curries last time we came down here. Absolute top bloke. So I can see a bunch of fish out there. I got a dry fly on, so we're having a bit of a play really. Which way is he gonna go? Oh, he turned away again. Oh, did that little dude grab it? He did. Yeah. Wow, where did that wind come from? Managed to trap my line in my landing net. Right, okay. There we are. Another rockborn beauty on a dry daddy. Not rockborn, chalk springs beauty on a dry daddy. Let's get him dispatched. Here we go. That's my 4th fish on a Rob Gent dry daddy. Just under the surface, causes a bit of a wake and they were chasing it. Lovely. Well, I'm going to carry on because when I went to the car I got another 2 fish tickets, so we're going to carry on because we're having such a good day here at Chalk Springs. Lovely. There we are. I got a feeling my good friend Steve's in. What are you doing, dude? You stuck?
Yeah.
Where you stuck, dude? Ah, hang on a sec.
Bink.
Right, there we are. Caught on the zip. Ah, he's still there. You got him, matey. It's a nice light rod, that one, mate, isn't it? That's a nice light rod as well, that. You got him, mate? Yeah, you got him. You got him. Lovely, well done, mate.
About time.
Well done, mate. There'll be many more to follow that, I'm sure. Well done, mate. Alright, Peter just changed it up. Yeah, nice. What was that on, Pete? White, you said?
Yeah, you're the one with your white with the UV body and the orange head.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, the little white zonker leech tail, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Good, 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 good. It was, wasn't it? Yeah. Good. Oh, still got that little out. Ooh, little dude chased that down. It's just landed right by a fish. That is he having that? He's following it, you know. He's still. Oh, he turned away. What fish turns away from an elk here? One that's tangled round there, see? Just going to shorten that tail a bit, I think. Try that. Stop it tangling, won't it? Oh. Two little dudes are after that then. What happened to that big rainbow? I haven't seen him all day, that one there. I've seen two big browns, but that rainbow that took my flight, I hadn't seen him at all. What's that there? A big brown or a big rainbow? I lost a big rainbow down there, mate. A couple of big fish out there, mate. I missed a big rainbow there. He hooked him and he's on for about 10 seconds. I hadn't seen that fish at all. I'd seen a couple of big browns in here. But I was in there and the sun came up and it was nice, and I was just blind stalking with a little elk here bug.
Yeah.
And Yeah, but I hadn't seen that big rainbow.
There's a decent fish there, just going away from it.
Yeah, I think that's that brown.
There's a decent fish over there, behind those trees, but...
Go on, take that elk here. Oh. Wrong way.
There's a decent fish over there where your cast is now. Just to the right, see him? See the shadow?
I thought I could see a couple of fish there, yeah. Yeah, there's one just coming into the light water now there, look.
Yeah. That's it, you're right in front of him now. Yeah, he's looking, go on. He sped up and come and looked at it. Here he is.
There he is. You've had 3 nice ones, haven't you?
Yeah. I was trying for one of them browns. He started doing that behind it, swirling round, and then as he turned away, a bloody rainbow come in and grabbed it. Oh, fuck me, that's a decent rainbow.
The one I lost there was a good one. I hadn't seen him at all yet, but there was, you know, 8 or 10 pound, I expect.
I think I've had one double.
Yeah, there was a couple of fish where you had that one on the middle of that lake over there. There was a couple of fish there. One chased my damsel in, but then I couldn't see them, you know. But they were definitely up for it though.
I just felt the line go taut when I hooked into that one, like, by you there. I just felt
Yeah, that was only about there, wasn't it? Because you only flicked at a rod length, didn't you?
I just felt the line go taut.
There's one up there, look, see?
Yeah, you got it.
See
I'll tell you a
that?
funny story about that Bossington estate.
Oh, go on, son. You having? He's having that, isn't he? All day long he's having that.
I fished that about 30 years ago when it was Horsebridge Trout Lake. Jack was calling at it.
Right.
And he's a right pisshead he was. And he wouldn't let you know till 8:30. And we hooked it up with a couple of gamekeepers.
Back on. Right, that fish I chucked right across. Took my little elk hair bug. Lovely, lovely. Yeah. That's a nice one. We'll get him dispatched. There we are, guys. That's rainbow number 5, and that was just on that little elk hair bug. I tried to tempt one of those browns, but to be honest, they never ever looked at it. They never looked at any of my fly, the browns. But I did lose a big rainbow, and I got another one of these. So and I shortened the tail down. I just snipped it off because he was tangling a little bit. So yeah, little brown elk hair bug, size 12. Lovely. Let's get him on the stringer. Woohoo! Another crazy Chalk Springs rainbow. Something about clear water and fish fighting well, isn't it? It's a fly that not many of you guys are using, guys, but that elk here is a great little stalker, but you know, on a little twitchy pull retrieve, it's a good fly, guys. So get on that little elk here, guys, because especially if they are a little bit spooky. Let's get him dispatched. Right, now I got a battery in it. It is feeding time now. You right, bud? Jez, Joe, Steve, who's made us some homemade pork pie, or a homemade pork pie, smoked mackerel patty, pickled onions, which he's put a warning on them as well. Might have a bit of ring sting, he has suggested. Tomorrow it'll be stomach. What are you laughing at? And we've got sourdough there. Do you help yourself? Hello, okay, help yourself to food. And Do you want to grab a bowl there and just help yourself to some food? There's bread and there's homemade pie and everything. Help yourself.
Yeah, two days ago there was another guy, he hadn't caught his quota. Me and Danny caught the fish each, so he had his quota, and he literally done the same thing. I was like, here you go. He brought it in and he went and went blink. He's like, no, I was sort of catching him.
The power of editing on here, right, means you didn't get to see or hear what I did, what I said when the thing went back here.
Well, I've got it on video, Savannah got it on video, the one that took me for a 7-minute walk. But I was actually really mellow, the Tourette's didn't come out, I was surprised.
Like the start.
Do you want a drink, buddy?
Yeah, you go for it.
What do you want?
What's
A
your name?
lager? Martyn.
Chris.
Chris. Okay, mate. What do you want? A lager or a crime watch, I expect, mate?
Probably, yeah.
Crime watch, I expect, yeah. What do you want to drink? You want a beer or a Coke or a...
Yeah, cola. Cola will do just fine.
Help yourself, yeah?
Thank you.
Yeah. Can I get you a drink? Coke or a glass of wine or something? Sure? Okay. Help yourself if you want anything there as well, okay? And just help yourself to food, alright? Bowl and some stuff there, yeah? Yeah. Whew. How many? Wow, look at that. I don't know if I've mentioned it, but that is a bag of fish from today's Canvey Island special champion. Wow.
Special champion.
Right, guys, show you the catch for the day. We've had a great day so far. Tadpoles are after my fish. There we are, guys, look at that there. 6 lovely Chalk Springs rainbows. Got a great day, caught on various things, from sort of dry daddies just under the surface, and damsels and little pulling patterns as well. So we had a great day here at Chalk Springs. Plenty of the guys still fishing. All the guys still fishing, and they've all had loads of fish. Some nice ones come out today around the double figures as well. None of the browns have come out. They've been really spooky today. I tried with a little elk hair bug. That was really successful for me today, that little elk hair bug. But yeah, so I think it's a good time for me to say it's Martyn Williams signing off at Chalk Springs.